In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a video in CapCut for YouTube. So this is going to be for the usual normal YouTube 16:9 dimensions. This is going to be for a standard YouTube video and not YouTube Shorts. So once you're on CapCut, go ahead and click New Project and find any video you want to add. I'm going to add this landscape video. We can preview it. We can also then click Add. Once we've done that, it's going to add it to CapCut. Now, once we're here, we really want to make sure that we are on the right aspect ratio, because you don't want to export something which isn't in the right aspect ratio. So click anywhere that's black on the screen. That will then give you access to this toolbar down below, which you can scroll through. Find aspect ratio and click on it, and just make sure that you're on 16:9 aspect ratio. You can see the YouTube logo here, but just make sure it's 16:9. If you've shot in landscape, it will probably be that anyway, but select it and then click tick. Then go to export in the top right hand corner. Click on that and it will then export your video and save it to your photos. Now once you've got this onto your photos, you'll be able to see it here and it will be in the YouTube format, and then you can upload this to YouTube. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.